Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I want to show you how you can build flowless AI agents. And with that I mean is the only section that we have here is a starting node and the node for sending the user towards the AI agent, and that's it. Nothing more needed. Because if we take a look at most of the cases for businesses, small businesses to even medium-sized businesses, is that they have enough when just answering business related questions. And you can do this really, really easily within just a few minutes using the platform UChat. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, before we are going to connect to any kind of AI agent, we need to create one. And we can do so by going to the AI Hub, AI Agents, basically create a new agent. So here, what we are going to say, Flowless Agent. Let's say Flowless Support Agent. Then we can give it a little bit of a description. So let's say that's it. That's more than enough for the description. And then we go with the settings. In the settings, we can choose the models. There are quite a few that you can choose from. As you can see, I usually go with OpenAI and I will choose the model GPT 4.1. That's it. Nothing more is needed. Now for the parameters, I most likely will go with the preset of precise. It gives me the numbers that I'm looking for, and the only thing that I'm going to increase is this summarization to 30, and the max tokens I will just set to a 2000 mark to be able to have a little bit more space, right? The text output format will just remain the same. The only thing that we are going to do here is to give a little bit of a persona and role. So let's say of voice. There we go. I think that is enough. So for the skills, I'm also going to keep it really, really low because I don't really need too much, right? Um, let's say I don't think that I need any more. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the model of chat completions to responses because I want to connect something else here. I want to connect the tool section, and then I want to connect a knowledge base where Agent John is able to search through. So I will leave this as is right now. I'm going to save this, and I am going towards the knowledge base section. From here, I'm going to create a new knowledge base. So let's say customer support, CMA, and then let's say this KB, short for knowledge base, contains all the information about the CMA. And that's it. So for this, I already have a vector store, but I will create a new one. So the knowledge base is the top level. Then we have inside the knowledge base a vector store. And inside the vector store, which is the mid level, we will have files that contain the actual information. So let's say CMA KB, and we're going to add some files. Now you can either upload them from your computer, or if you already uploaded them prior, then you can just select them here. I already have a few, as you can see. So I will just go with this one and this one. I will say create, and then it will just take a few seconds. You will not see it directly added, but if we sync it in just about 5 seconds, then you will see it added and most likely also already implemented. So let's sync it. We still have it in progress, as you can see here. So let's refresh one more time. And now we have it set to completed. Now that we have our vector store, let's connect it inside of our knowledge base here. Let's say I'm going to go with this knowledge base, save, and now we can use this knowledge base inside of our AI agent. So let's go back. Let's go back towards the AI agent that we created, right? And from there, we will be able to go with any kind of details that we want to add maybe. So important is to have the OpenAI responses here. And then for the model, I will just use GPT 4.1, which is a really good model. Don't use GPT-5, by the way, because it contains a reasoning model and it often leads to timeouts because it thinks too long before replying back, right? So you need to have a balance, and GPT-5 models are not good for AI agents. So I advise you to go with GPT 4.1 for now at least. So now that we can connect our knowledge base, we can select it here. So let's go with customer support CMA. And now that we have connected this, I think we are good to go. So let's connect this inside the flow that we created here, the flowless agent. The only thing that we need to do, I know it's counterintuitive, but we do need to connect the agent itself, because otherwise the system will not know where to send the user, right? So let's go with the, let's see, the Flowless support agent. And that's it, nothing more to be done. Let's say save, publish, and I will add this towards the default reply. So anytime that the user is going to send a message, this flow will kick in, as well as under the settings, I will set it to the starting flow. So let's go with the Flowless agent. There we go. And also under the chat widget, let's do the same. So here I'm also going to go with Flowless agent. And that's it, hopefully. So let's do a proper test. So I just refreshed everything. I deleted my previous user. So I'm starting with a clean slate. And now let's just log into the widget, say start conversation, and see what we get. So we should be able to see, as you can see, hey there, I'm John. How can I help you? Hi, John. Can you tell me more about the CMA? So let's see if it references the knowledge base that has been connected and if it provides certain information. Without building any kind of automation, we only connected the knowledge base. And here we already have it. So here, a pretty large answer, right? So absolutely, I'll be happy to tell you more about the CMA. CMA stands for Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, which is my membership, and I am the owner of that membership. So it's a program created by myself, who is an expert in omnichannel and conversational marketing. The main goal of the CMA is to help people and businesses unlock the power of conversational marketing, especially through chatbots. When you join the CMA, you will get access to premium templates. That's correct. A growing library of mini apps. Also correct. Advanced workshops, one-on-one coaching, an exclusive Facebook community, which is actually a little bit outdated. It is a Discord community now. But that is something that I will need to change inside the knowledge base. So some of the popular templates include solutions for restaurants, order systems, ticketing systems, dynamic quizzes, agency onboarding flows. There are also tools like a ChatGPT prompt generator and various mini apps for things like Stripe billing, AI integrations, and email verifications. Workshops and coaching are a big part of the CMA. That's perfect. If you're interested in conversational marketing or want to build an advanced chatbots for your business or clients, then the CMA is designed to help you. Perfect. So as you can see, a really detailed answer. Maybe you want to reply a little bit in a more like a 5-sentence reply, right? So that is something that you can always adjust. So if I go back towards the AI agent and I go here and say by constraints, let's say, do not reply more than, or let's make your replies short by replying with a max of 5 sentences. So let's save this. So in order to do a clean test and see if that single guideline will help in the constraint section, to only formulate replies with just a max of 5 sentences, let's see if that also works. So a new conversation, let's say, hi, what kinds of templates does the CMA provide? Something like this, right? And let's see if we do get a little bit of a shorter reply back or we need additional guidelines. So as you can see, this is already much shorter, which is a great way of, even with a single guideline, to control the outcome of the replies of the AI agent. And this is a really good one as well. So the CMA provides a variety of templates, including the restaurant template, ticketing template, chatbot starter package, dynamic quiz, and so on. There are also templates for membership management, AI content generation. New templates are added regularly, so the library keeps growing. And this is true because last week I released the restaurant template, the restaurant AI agent template, which is also a video on the channel as well. If you want to see that, how you can build your own restaurant AI agent. It is a long video, so do take notice of that. So if you want to spend the time on learning on how to build such an AI agent in every single detail, step by step, then that is the video for you. But you can see within just a few minutes, we are able to build a completely flawless AI agent that can reply to any business, service, or product related question for your business. So I hope this video was as fun for you to view as for me to make, because I think these are quick projects that you can create for your clients to get them going, and from there just expand on the difficulty and adding more features, more integrations and stuff like that. But this will cover most likely up to 60-75% of all and any business related questions that a user might ask towards that business. If you enjoyed the video, do consider dropping a like because it will help me reach more people. And if you want to share the video, by all means, you are free to do so. Um, if you have any questions, do drop them down in the comment section below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. But for now, have a great day, take care, and talk really, really soon.